Compact, portable, and better at low-volume tasks, an immersion blender is a kitchen blade grinder used to blend or grind ingredients straight from the container in which they're prepared. It's basically a stick with blending blades at the end. These blending blades can expedite the process of whipping heavy cream, emulsifying mayonnaise, or pureeing soup. Just stick around to watch this video as we've done our own review to pick out the 5 best immersion blenders out on the market. We'll review their features, construction, and overall performance. The links to the best immersion blenders are listed in the description box below. So if there's something you see, don't hesitate to click its link. Now, if you're ready to check out our list, then let's begin. At number 1 is the Sencor 10-speed immersion blender with whisk and chopper attachments in solid turquoise. If you're looking for a blender that can help you make healthy meals or beverages in less than 5 minutes, the Sencor 10-speed immersion blender should be at the top of your list. It's a compact hand blender with an extra quiet 350-watt DC motor that delivers superior and lasting performance. With this powerful motor, you can blend, chop, or puree veggies with great ease. It has an ergonomic handle that makes it more comfortable to prepare daily recipes like soups or smoothies. What makes this model stand out from other immersion blenders on the market is its variable speed control that allows users to select the speed with 10 possible settings. The several speed option gives you control of what you're making. There's also a blue LED backlit button for easy-to-see use. The Sencor 10-speed immersion blender includes a 27-ounce beaker with lid, 17-ounce chopper with lid, whisker, wall mount, and blending rod. The stainless steel attachments can mix both hot and cold foods. You can even make ice-cold fruit smoothies or puree soup directly in the pot. Cleaning up is also a breeze with this product, as you can wash the attachments and accessories by hand. As for the handle, it easily cleans up with a wet cloth and should not be submerged in water. All of these amazing inclusions can help you prepare healthier foods for you and your family without breaking a sweat. At number 2 on our list is the 5-speed hand blender by KitchenAid. KitchenAid is a brand that's been trusted since 1919. And if you're the type of person who likes to start the day with a fresh smoothie but doesn't have the time to prepare one, then this fantastic product is what you need. With the KitchenAid 5-speed blender, you can make delicious smoothies anytime and anywhere you want. It's equipped with all of the accessories and attachments needed to chop, blend, froth, whip, or puree ingredients. This immersion blender features a removable 8-inch blending arm that provides extensive reach into deeper pots and slim containers. It securely locks into the motor for secure, effortless operation. This model includes the industry's first interchangeable bell blade assembly, which is perfect for crushing ice, pureeing veggies, frothing milk, and so much more. You can easily switch bell blades without using any tools. It also comes with a whisk attachment that works great in making meringues or condiments. The handy whisk is dishwasher safe, so you can just toss it right in after use. Cleanup woes no more. Best of all, this immersion blender also includes 2 half-cup BPA-free chopper attachment with lid locks that's ideal for chopping nuts, herbs, or even cooked meats. With this chopper, you can make fresh, homemade herbs and spice blends. This immersion blender in sleek contour silver blends beautifully with other kitchen appliances. It also comes in a variety of other colors, including pink, white, blue, and green. So what do you think of our list of immersion blenders thus far? We still have 3 more products to share, and let us know if there's another kitchen appliance you'd like to see us do a review on by writing your suggestions in the comments. We'll do our best to feature your request in our next video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for more updates. And now, back to our list. At number 3 is the Cuisinart Smart Stick 5-speed brushed stainless steel immersion blender with whisk attachment. Achieving lump-free soup, perfectly whipped meringue, and finely chopped herbs has never been easier with this immersion blender. It comes equipped with a 300-watt DC motor that delivers maximum power and unparalleled performance with less noise. It boasts the 8 inches of stainless steel blending shaft that's uniquely designed to reach even the deepest bowl, pot, or pitcher. With this long blended shaft, you can make pureed soup directly in the pot or whip up big batches of smoothies right in a pitcher. As for the speed, you can conveniently switch from low to high with a variable speed slide control. There's also a push button control for continuous or pulse action and a lock-unlock button for added safety when in use. The SmartStick 5-speed brushless stainless steel immersion blender from Cuisinart is complete with a chopper grinder attachment, chef's whisk attachment, and a deluxe mixing measuring cup. You can try any recipe with this set. Cuisinart also offers a limited 3-year warranty for this model. What a great deal! At number 4 is the Braun MultiQuick 7 MQ725 Smart Speed Black Stainless Steel Immersion Hand Blender with Food Processor. It's specifically designed to boost your culinary expertise in the comfort of your own home. Braun is the #1 brand in hand blenders, and this is undoubtedly a great addition to any kitchen. Equipped with 400 watts of power that deliver maximum power, this immersion hand blender can tackle a wide range of kitchen tasks, from chopping ingredients, whisking egg whites, blending smoothies, shredding cooked meat, to pureeing your favorite veggie soup. And with the world's first smart speed technology, you fine-tune the blending speed by merely squeezing a single button. Compared to other immersion blenders on the market, this model promises to give more exceptional blends, which are perfect in making homemade herbs and spices. With Braun's patented Power Bell system, you can blend ingredients smoothly. Its ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a unique bell-shaped blending shaft draws the food inward to the blades to produce faster and more even results. Ever had a hard time cleaning up the splashing around your kitchen walls after you prepare soups or sauces? Well, Braun has come up with a solution, featuring the splash control technology that keeps the food in the cooking pot so there won't be any mess when you blend. Switching from one attachment to another is also easier with the Easy Click accessory system that quickly detaches the attachments in just one push of a button. Aside from these exceptional features, Braun also boasts the ergonomic design and soft-gripped handle of the immersion blender. Its world-class design offers optimum convenience and comfort while blending. On top of that, all of the parts that come into contact with the food are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. At number 5 on our list is the 2-speed stainless steel immersion blender with whisk attachment and turbo boost power from Hamilton Beach. Prepare delectable dishes and mouth-watering smoothies with this all-in-one kitchen appliance that lets you chop, blend, mix, whip, and puree. It's a 7-piece deluxe set that's complete with multiple tools designed to tackle different tasks. This immersion blender includes a 24-ounce mixing cup with convenient marks and a chopping bowl with stainless steel blades that can finely chop any ingredient. Both cup and bowl have a lid so you can store those blended foods directly when it's made. You can also mix hot soups or frozen fruit smoothies directly into the container using the stainless steel blending wand. There's also a stainless whisk included, which works great in making sauces or whipped cream frosting. What's great about this product is the turbo feature that's perfect in making a whipped meringue, chopped ingredients, or doing any other task that needs a little extra blending power. The power button and pulse control are easy to use, so all you have to do is push the button and it's set to blend batches of soups, chop pounds of cooked meat. All the attachments are dishwasher safe, so you can conveniently toss them in the washer after making a meal. With 225 watts of power and 2-speed option, there's nothing you can't cook or bake with the Hamilton Beach stainless steel immersion blender with whisk attachment and turbo boost power. Well, that takes care of our review for the 5 best immersion blenders on the market. Follow any recipe you want with an immersion blender because it makes cooking tasks faster and easier, and you'll surely want to try it in everything you do. We hope our review for the best blender has helped you decide which among them is worth your investment. All of these models are from the leading makers of immersion blenders, so you can rest assured that they'll meet your taste and high expectation. If you're ready to go, head on down to the description box and click the link of the blender you're eyeing and get it at a great price. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if there's another kitchen appliance that you'd like to see us review. We'll do our best to grant your request, so make sure to tap the bell icon to receive a notification when we upload your video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the ReviewTube channel.